Hello, girl. Yeah, I heard Michelle was back in Seattle and she lives in Seattle now, but I just don't know if she still do hair. Like, I know she's been in school, so I really don't know if she still do hair, but I need someone to come and slay my hair.
Girl, duh.
Oh, word? She still do hair? I'm gonna have to hit her up.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at hold on. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it with another video. Now, if this is your first time ever being on my channel, then I'm gonna need for you to smash that subscribe button and join my family. And if you're already part of my family, then welcome back, fam. Welcome to another video. So for today's video, it is long awaited. It has been long and it has been awaited, okay? It's been a minute, sis, and I do apologize. But for today's video, it is a video on how I got this beautiful color. I'm rocking the ash blonde. I know that I debuted this hair in the winter time. I mean, sis, we're talking about straight up winter. I know I debuted it and just snuck it in one of my videos, and everyone was like, sis, this hair though, tell me about this hair. Like this hair. Sis, we need the deets on this hair. And then I told you guys, I'm gonna drop a video. Don't worry, I'm gonna drop a video on this hair, and I didn't follow through. Like, I'm pretty sure I recorded that video, but it wasn't up to what I wanted it, and it didn't look how I wanted it to look, so y'all never got the video. But you know what? Here we are with the video. We're not gonna dwell on the past too much. Here we are. I got the video for you guys. So let's just move forward and move past. Sis, we don't have time to be dwelling on what I said in the past. That was very 2018. Actually, it might have been 19. I don't know. All I know is it was the past, and here we are now. Got the video for you guys. So yeah, but before I actually talk about this hair, I do want to say, and I want to keep putting it out there so people know, I'm going to drill it in your head until you know that yes, I am in Seattle. Yes, I am going to be doing hair. Yes, I will make wigs. So if you want your hair laid and slayed, sis, hit me up, because I have officially moved to Seattle. So I mean, keep them DMs rolling, sis. Only serious DMs though. Don't hit me up on no BS trying to play me, because I am still a college student. I'm in my last year, and yeah, we know I should be good or living somewhat kind of decent as a pharmacist, but I'm not there yet. So this is still my hustle, my side hustle. I still need to make some money, so don't be over here trying to lowball me, okay? We're not doing that. If you're serious about getting your hair done, hit me up. If you're serious about me making a wig for you, hit me up. If you want to get braids, whatever it may be, hit me up, only if you're serious, because I don't have time. I don't have time for you guys to be wasting my time, because seriously, I barely have time for you guys to be wasting. So if you're serious, you're in Seattle, the Seattle area, you want your hair done, hit me up. If not, keep it pushing, okay? But other than that, if this is your first time ever being on my channel, then I'm gonna need for you to smash that subscribe button and join my family. And if you're already part of the family, then welcome back, fam. Welcome to another video. So let's get into this hair. This hair that I'm wearing is from the Janet collection. This is their Remy human hair, Brazilian body wave. And I've seen a lot of videos on this hair, and this was actually my first time buying 613 hair. This hair I actually bought before I received my uni 613 hair. So now that I have received uni 613 hair, and that was good 613 hair, I have something that I can kind of do a comparison. So y'all lucky. Yeah, y'all are actually lucky that I could give you an even better review now. So first, let's just talk about the price of this hair. This hair was like $139 or something like that, which is super affordable, and I got it off of Amazon. If it was off of a hair vendor like Ebony Hair or something like that, just off of their Amazon vendor storefront. So that's where I bought it off of. I don't know if it was Ebony Hair. Whatever online hair store that I got it from, I will have linked down below in the description box. The lengths that I did get, I believe, was like 20, 22, and 24, or it was like 18. You know what? All that information is going to be linked down below in the description box. Now, I'm just here to talk to you guys about how I feel about this hair and the quality. Now, first, let's talk about quality of the hair. The quality of the hair, it's not no premium like 613 hair. You are getting what you pay for. 613 hair tends to be expensive, and then also in addition to 613 hair being a little bit more expensive, you have to remember that this hair is processed. Okay, to get this hair color, you're gonna have to remember that the hair has been processed. It's just what it is. Okay, if you want blonde hair, you're gonna have to deal with it being processed. So 613 hair is never gonna be as silky as just regular 1B hair that's been unprocessed. But yeah, so just keep that in mind. But I will say this hair compared to my uni 613 hair, there's a big difference. This hair is a little bit more coarse. This hair is not as silky. 613 hair is gonna shed in general, but this hair does shed a lot. Now, what I'm gonna say about this hair is if you're looking for 613 hair because you wanna do a quick water dye method and you just need it for an event real quick and you don't plan on wearing this like as an everyday wig for like a month or whatever, then this hair is perfect for that. It's affordable. You don't need to go ahead spending hella money on hair that you're not going to wear consistently. So I would say this hair definitely does the job. But if you're looking for your everyday hair, I mean, I wouldn't say this is going to be my everyday hair. This would never be my everyday hair. It sheds way too much. Like, it's like the color is nice, and I did dye it. So if you guys want to see how I got this color, then stay tuned to the end, because I will insert the clips of me dyeing this hair. But like, I don't know, the color is nice, but because of the quality of this hair, I just can't wear it every day. And I know that, and I'm okay with that. I just really want to try out 613 hair at the time. The length is definitely true to length. What I do like about this hair is it comes with this like closure frontal type of thing. So basically it's a closure. So it's a closure with edges. So it gives the illusion of a frontal, but on the sides it's like an inch, okay? And then in the middle it's like an actual like 4x4 frontal type of thing. So I think that's really cool if that's what you're into. Like if you just want the look of a frontal and you don't really care to put it in a ponytail or anything like that, then that's what this hair comes with, which is awesome. I know that this hair also comes in like just black, like jet black, 1B. So I'm pretty sure that those textures or those colors would be of a softer texture and it would probably be more silkier. But yeah, this hair has been processed, you guys. I have dyed this, and I dyed it to this ash. And oh wow, I dyed it to this ash blonde. So if you like the color, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. You guys let me know what you think. I wanted to do Instagram baddie. I wanted to try out this hair color, and I actually really love it on myself. I know that you guys actually really liked it on me, but I just wish I did it on hair of like greater quality. But again, like I said, for the price that you're paying, you really can't go wrong with it. And then also with this hair, it does come with the Isha hair glue. It comes with the travel size of the Isha hair glue. With that glue, you have to be, with any glue, you have to be you have to just be very like particular when using the glue. Like the surface of your face where you're going to apply it on your head, you need to make sure it's very clean before using it, or else it can turn very sticky and be a hot mess. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this hair. I know that you guys really like the color, so if you want to see how I got this color, then stay tuned and I'll see y'all in my next video. But other than that, just keep watching for the color. Hey guys, well that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys enjoyed this hair color. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to tell your mama, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, your auntie, and your grandma to join my channel and join my family. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Much love. Bye, YouTube.